Hi, so today we're going to be doing problems 41 through 45. And yeah, it's recording. So this is a pretty simple problem. In the figure below, each pair of intersecting line segments meet at a right angle, and all the lengths given are in inches. What is the perimeter in inches of the figure? Okay, so we're given 4, 6, 4, 10, 6, 26. But what we're not given are these sides over here and this side over here. So how do we figure that out? So we figure this one out by simply adding 6 and 4. We get a 10. This one, however, is slightly trickier. So we can tell that this length over here is 26 minus 10 plus 6, or 26 minus 16, which is 10. However, to get this and this side and this side over here, we don't have to split it up. We know that this plus this equals 10. So from there, if I can write ever more better, we can tell that these horizontal sides are 10 plus 10 plus 6, which is 26. So 26 plus 26. So we have 26 plus 26 for the horizontal sides, which is 52. And then for the vertical sides, we have 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4, since this is the congruent to this, plus 4 plus 10. And when we add all this together, let's just use a calculator for this, make it a lot simpler. 26 plus 26 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4 plus 10. $80. We get 80. E, the answer is E, 80. Of the 804 graduating seniors in a certain high school, approximately 2/5 are going to college, and approximately 1/4 of those going to college are going to a state university. Which of the following is the closest estimate for how many of the graduating seniors are going to a state university? This is actually really simple. All you have to do is 2/5 of the 804 are going to college. 2/5 times 804 are going to college. And then 1/4 of this number are going to a state university. Equals state SU. We're going to call it state SU, state university. So in order to do this, let's just multiply, let's see, 2/5 times 804, which equals 321.6, and then multiply that by 1/4 or 0.25, whatever you want to do, and we get 80.4. So the closest estimate is 80, or F. Okay. If x and y are positive integers, such that the greatest common factor of x squared, y squared, and x, y cubed is 45, then which of the following could y equal? Guys, we're back again. So what we got to do is find the common factor between x squared, y squared, and xy cubed. In order to find the common factor between x squared, y squared, and xy cubed, we just got to think about it. And we find that it is xy squared. That's the common factor. And then we find the common factorization of 45, which is 5 times 3 squared. And when we match it up, we find that 3 is equal to y. So the answer is E3. Okay. So now let's go on to the next problem. What the heck did I do? I went into the reading section for some reason. Gosh. Which problem are we on again? 41, right? No, 43. If 115% of a number is 460, then what is 75% of that number? Remember that percentages are in terms of hundreds. So 115 divided by 100 is 1.15. So 1.15 x, we can call that number x, equals 460. The first thing we have to do is solve for x. 460 divided by 1.15. We're going to use a calculator for that. 460 divided by 1.15, which equals 400. So x equals 400. What is 75% of 400? So what's 0.75 of 400? 3/4 of 400, that's the same thing as 75% of 400. Well, that's 300 equals 300. If I could write any sloppier. So the answer is G. This is actually a really simple problem that's coming up. What is the distance in the standard xy coordinate plane between the points 1, 0 and 0, 5? Okay, we use the distance formula for this, which is root x 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y2 minus y sub 1 squared. So these are essentially 2 points. So we can call x1 and y1 1 0. This is x sub 1, y sub 1. And this is x sub 2, y sub 2. So from this, we just substitute into the formula root zero minus 1 squared, 0 minus 1 squared plus 5 minus 0 squared. And this equals the square root of 1 plus 25, which equals root 26. And what do we get here? E, root 26. Okay, that was a bit of a messy video, but I'll see you guys later.